In today's video, I will show you how to create an animated travel map video like this in Canva in less than 1 minute. So let's get started. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Canva. Open Canva website. On the home screen, click Video and then choose the landscape video format. A new screen will open. On the left side, scroll down and click Apps option. In the search box, type Map Video, then open this option. Next, choose the airplane icon you want to use. At the moment, there are 3 plane styles available, so I will select this one. Now, choose the country where you want the plane animation to appear. You can also enable the flag option and add custom text if you had liked to make the animation more informative. After you have finished your settings, click Create Video. Canva will take a few seconds to generate the animation. Once it's ready, click Add to Design to insert it into your project. If needed, click on the video and resize it to fit your canvas. When you are happy with the result, click Share, then Download. From there, choose your preferred video quality. You can export it in HD or even 4K for the best visual quality. And that's the finished results. As you can see, creating a professional looking animated map video in Canva is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials.